All right, so in this video, we're going to be checking out these light bulbs here. These are the E12 base LED Candelabra bulbs. And as you can see behind me, I have my light up here, and you can see I've already got bulbs installed into this light. But I'm going to put these in, let you see what they look like, kind of talk about them a little bit, and then we'll go from there. All right, so this is what the box looks like. In here, these are 60-watt bulbs. So they work for 60-watt bulbs. It only uses 5 watts per bulb. So the estimated cost per year is 60 cents. So it's a 2700 soft white, 25,000 hour lifespan, and 600 brightness when it comes to the lumens there. So it's got an extended 2-year warranty. I will get these open and show you what each one of these looks like. So this is what the bulb looks like, how it's packaged. You get 6 of those in there. And in this, I'm just going to start out by, I'm going to take one of these bulbs down that I've got, and we're going to install this one, and then I'll get all of them installed. But here's what my light fixture looks like right now. So we'll just start with this one and get this one unscrewed. You can see here, it's got the little skinny base on it. And we'll get the new one put in here. I'll let you see how that one looks compared to the other ones. This does feel like it has more of a plastic coating on it than a regular glass. So I kind of like that. But you can see, as far as brightness goes, it's putting off the same brightness as the other ones. These bulbs are dimmable. But let me get all 6 of them installed. I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll show you the dimmable feature, and we'll go from there. All right, we've got all 6 of them installed. Really good looking bulbs. I really like that frosted look on them. I feel like that gives a little bit more of a warm feel in the home here. So I will show you. Let's see, let me get over here to the switch here. But as you can see, you can dim them. So well, my dimmer goes all the way down, so let me get it on as low as I can here to kind of show you. See? So nice and dim. You can kind of see the bulb in there a little bit if you look at it. But again, really like that frosted look of the bulbs, because they do give a more of a warm feeling than the ones that I had in here that were more crisp looking. So again, I really like this. So if you're looking for a nice candelabra for a chandelier or nightlight or whatever the case may be, and you're wanting something dimmable and low watts, definitely check these out. We highly recommend them.